How to log in into Go2 Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Go2 Bank online banking account. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and enter Go2 Bank official website. Now, at the top right corner of your home page, you will see sign in or login button. Click on it to proceed. You will be taken to the login page. Here you can enter your password and username in the respective fields. Once your information is entered, click on sign in or login button below. After you click on log in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your finances, view transactions, and many more. You have successfully logged in into your Go2 Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.